media people natin, nakasama natin today. Para sa'yo, Sir Felipe, ano ang pinaka-memorable experience mo last Feb, kasi di ba magkakasama tayo ng February, sa Close Up Red MV Watch Party. Ano yung mga highlight ng Feb event natin for you?
Definitely, yung hindi sobrang memorable yung yung for the first time napanood ko yung music video ng Red version ng Moving Closer, by Close Up. And isa pa doon yung na-meet ko yung Don Bell,
yes.
Especially yung fans nila. And pinaka-memorable yung yung 18 na nandun. Season na nandun sila.
Yes, of course. And we're here to make more memories happen. Pero for now, let's talk to our media friends. Let's call on Ms. Ali Calinaw from PEP. I think my question siya for Sir Felipe. Ms. Ali. Hello, Ms. Ali.
Hi Ken, my name is Ali from pep.ph. So my question is, how important is smelling good to you when meeting someone for the first time? Do you have a go-to scent?
Sorry po, ano po yan?
Medyo umi-echo kasi, oo, medyo umi-echo.
How important is smelling good to you when meeting someone for the first time? Do you have a go-to scent?
Yan. How important daw yung smelling good? Tama po ba, Miss Ali?
Smelling good.
Kapag may nami-meet ka daw na person for the first time.
Importante siya kasi as an artist, hindi lang bilang artist kahit, and everyday, mo lang, pag may lakad ka, gano'n, it's important to smell good. And nakaka-boost siya ng confidence, especially pag, for example, like, mabango yung breath mo, while talking to people, like meeting new people. So, yeah, it gives so much confidence sa tao. Yeah.
So, do you have a go-to scent?
Go-to scent. May
Go-to scent. Pag-perfume siguro, mas ako sa fresh, kasi mainit kasi sa Pilipinas So, gusto ko yung cool, na scent and fresh lang. Yeah.
Okay, so next question now. What's your biggest dating mishap or embarrassing moment while trying to impress someone?
Magkakaalaman tayo sa siya ang magtanong.
Dating. Ba?
Baka naman wala, di ba? Meron ba? Baka naman wala.
Parang wala
We are happy for you na wala, di ba? Gusto natin ganyan, walang dating mishap na walang embarrassing moment. Very
Kailangan, you gotta keep your cool, di ba? Ganun dapat always kasi, syempre, ayaw mo naman na mamaya ma-disappoint sa'yo yung dinidate mo. So as much as possible, you're gonna try everything, you're gonna do everything just to, just to impress the girl that you love or just impress the guy that you like. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Ali. Parang ako pinagpapawisan sa mga questions dito. Okay.
Pinagpapawisan ka ako. Ako yung pagpapawisan nito.
Ikaw may pinagpapawisan. Hindi sa jacket lang yan. Sa jacket lang. Hindi sa tanong, Sir Felipe. Okay. Asan po si Sir Christopher Pernell from Philstar. Ayan. Hello, Sir Chris.
Hello po.
Hello. Philip, good afternoon. Congratulations on this. So bilang nasa close-up tayo, in your opinion, how long does it take para ang isang tao maging close sa isang tao?
Wow.
Gaano katagal para masabing close mo na? Tama po ba yun? Yes.
Ang hirap.
Napapaisip ka ngayon bigla talaga.
Meron kasi silang tinatawag na yung parang kahit first time nyo palang mag-meet, you feel like parang comfortable or compatible kayo with each other. And meron ding matagal na magkakilala, they're just, like, kinikilala nila ng mas malalim yung isa't isa. And, yeah, it depends siguro sa it depends sa person. Merong short, and then like, talagang close na sila agad or nagkakagustuhan na sila. Meron ding mas mahaba kasi gusto na nang kilalanin pa yung isa't isa. Yun po.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris. May question.
Galing ko din lang.
Habol na question.
Okay po.
Given that, anong advice mo sa mga taong gustong maging close sa isang tao?
Advice mo sa mga taong gustong may maging ka-close. Ang sabi ni Ate sa likod ni Sir Chris, mag-toothbrush with close. Ang galing mo dyan, madam.
I think, yeah.
Diba?
I think, yeah.
Binigyan ka na lang tayo. Gusto ko mag-isip.
Ang hirap na naman.
Pass.
Yeah, other than smelling good, I think, yeah, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, as much as possible, make someone happy, and you know, I know na hindi sa lahat ng oras pagiging happiness yung nandyan, dun yung struggles na natin, but still you're gonna be there whenever like he or she needs you. So yeah, support talaga, tsaka communication always. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris. Maraming salamat. And now let's move on to Sir Christian Lee, eccentric yet happy.
I'm Mel from Manila Culture Junkie.
Ay, hello
Hi,
din
Ma'am.
ako.
Good afternoon.
Kumusta ka, Philip?
Mahirap pa ba yung question niya? Hindi naman.
My question is, given that you are already a talented and skilled individual, do you still intend to learn new skill or hobby? If yes, what are these?
Ulitin po
Ano
natin,
po yun?
madam. Kasi grabe yung
Sorry.
echo talaga dito eh. Quiet tayo guys, wait. Okay, madam po.
Given that you are already a talented and skilled individual, do you still intend to learn new skills or hobbies? If yes, ano yun?
Oh, definitely, yeah. You know, every day, yung person talaga, parang sobrang daming kailangan matutunan. Even like professional athletes, professional singers, dancers, araw-araw meron pa talagang mga bagong skills na kailangan matutunan. And for me, there are a lot of things that, you know, gusto ko rin matutunan. Especially when meeting new people, especially yung speaking skills ko, because I'm not that good with, you know, pakikipagsalamuha sa iba't ibang tao. So that's a kind of like skill na gustong-gusto kong matutunan talaga.
Thank you so much, madam. Meron pa tayong additional question? Okay, thank you so much to our media people. And eto, may last question ako sa iyo, Sir Felipe.
Yeah.
Talaga, para namang Tito Boy Abunda talaga atake ko dito. So, syempre napag-usapan na natin yung mga cool, fresh, di ba? Yung kilig-kilig natin ngayong araw. Ano naman yung mga bagay na natutunan mo as a close-up endorser na magagamit mo sa life as one of the P-pop kings? Parang pang-pageant yung
You know
tanong
what?
ko.
I learned to smile often. Kasi dito talaga mapipilitan. Di, joke lang. Bro, you know, it gives so much, you know, warmth pag nag-smile ka talaga. I mean, I learned that so much, but ako kasi, hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na pala-smile eh. Yeah, but, you know, seeing my fans there, nakakasmile din kasi, you know, the support, the love, yung warmth ng love na binibigay nila sa'yo. It gives you, ano ba tawag dito?
Very comforting na agad eh. Kapag...
Yeah, it's, parang hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. So, di mo pigilan mag-smile ka na lang na parang out of nowhere, But, you know, it just means that I'm happy to see them. So, yeah. Smile talaga, yung pag-smile talaga.
Yes, and we are very grateful sa close-up. Sabi niya, deserve it ay he smiled more often. At gusto natin yan. Pero bago yan, I will have to let you go muna.